Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to make you one of the most fun and most requested drinks from the website, the Mandrin Crush. Oh yeah, don't forget, you don't want to miss any of these videos, so like and subscribe at the bottom. You got the tropical vibes coming from the passion fruit. You got those sweet orange vibes coming from the Absolut Mandrin, all balanced off with some fresh lemon juice. You ain't gonna get much better of a drink for this time. We're gonna take the small tin, and then we're gonna add 15 ml of each of these ingredients. So the first thing we're gonna add in, 15 ml per drink, so that's 30 going in, of simple syrup. If you don't know how to make simple syrup, just go back and watch one of my simple syrup videos. Next, we've got 30 ml. That's 15 ml per drink of passion fruit syrup. You can also use passion fruit puree. If you can't get hold of the syrup, that's gonna be fine. We're gonna take some fresh lemon. We're gonna slice that in half. And we want 15 ml per drink again. So that's 30 in total. And we get exactly 30 out of that one half of lemon there. That's a good juicy lemon. And then last but not least, we're gonna add 45 ml per drink of the Absolut Mandrin. Again, zero sugar, natural flavors. We're gonna jump to the cubed ice. This is the one we want to shake. I'm gonna add that in. Ready for the shake. There we go. We're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna take our glasses and we're gonna add little scoops of crushed ice to them both. No need to fine strain because we've already got a lot of ice in the glass already. We wanna crown this with a nice crushed ice pile. We're gonna take some nice fresh orange and just add one wedge per drink. The Absolut Mandrin Crush. This is another porch pounder. Amazing drink.